guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing status racing seats on my FRS. You guys, I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting a few weeks now because I had to wait for railings to come in, but we got them. So let me show you how it's done. I was having a hard time deciding what kind of seats I wanted in the FRS, mostly because you can't go to a store here in New Jersey and just sit down on a bunch of seats. I went to SEMA and I tried out a few seats that I saw over there, but I wasn't content. Adam went ahead and bought these seats for his Evo, and I've spent a lot of time in his car, so I decided that this would probably be the best bet. They got in contact with me and we worked something out, so don't think that this is just 100% sponsored. I'm very grateful that they worked with me on these seats, and I'm very happy that I have them. Status has so many options for you. You can customize absolutely everything down to the stitching on these seats. Now if you get closer, I went ahead with a suede black inside with a nice suede royal blue, I believe. I might have the name of this blue wrong. But I also did white stitching for both the status and my logo over here, which is an option if you order these seats. And on the side over here, this is leather black. And then on the backing over here and back here is also the suede blue. I went with their regular fiberglass backing. You also have an option of doing carbon fiber, but I went ahead and chose these because they were the cheaper option, if I'm being honest with you, and I don't really have to go with carbon fiber. Adam has the carbon fiber ones, which are really nice. They're a lot lighter, so that's why you would choose the carbon fiber. But if you don't want to, there's this option as well. I didn't have any type of crazy stitching, but that is also another thing that you can do when you order these seats. I want to give a huge shout out to Status for helping me out and helping me get these seats put together. If you guys want to check out your own set of GTX, because this is what this bucket seat is called. This is the Status GTX bucket seat. I'm gonna leave the link down below where you guys can go check out and get your own. I went with these Buddy Club railings for the FRS. Now these were used. I went on eBay and I found the whole entire set for $165. Also got myself some Status harnesses, and this is what they look like. They're black, they say Status, really cute. I just don't have a harness bar. Okay. Don't scratch the car, don't scratch the car. Face in first. Everybody looks good in there. Some of you are probably wondering, hey Mick, why is your car on jack stands? What's happening? Yeah, I had to take my wheels off because I ate the curb last week. I literally ate the curb. I ate it like a Thanksgiving dinner, and right now they're getting fixed. I need powder coating, so shout out to you guys for fitting me into your schedule, and they should be done by the time I come back from Arizona. You guys don't know, I'm gonna be in Arizona this Saturday, so Sarah, I'm coming for you. Seems like we made it. So you might be wondering, why am I in the back of my car? Well, it's been about 2 hours and we've been dealing with taking off a strip bolt that holds down the railings for the stock FRS seats. Now here is a completely non-stripped bolt. This is a size 8, and this is what we were dealing with. As you can see, it's completely stripped. We were dealing with this, and the fact that the railings over here, you can barely see it, but there's not a lot of play to try and take things out. So we finally filed it down where a 7 could fit, and Cody hammered it on top and we got it out. But this whole entire project was delayed by 2 hours just because one strip bolt. Guys, it is looking so good in here. I am extremely happy how this came out. Look at the seats. Look how beautiful they look. Alright guys, it's getting pretty dark, so I got my phone over here trying to shine the light. This is what it looks like. I am in love. It came out so good. I love it. Can you believe that it took me 2 days to do those seats? And the only reason why it took me 2 days is because I had to go into work, and I also had to go into car ID because we're working on the 350Z. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, I suggest you subscribe. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get really fun on this channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy every step of the way for my Time Attack 350Z and as well as my FRS. I'm gonna leave the link down below where you guys can go check out Status Racing. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!